Alright guys, so do not launch a meme coin on pump.fun. Creation time, I'm just going to get straight to the point. This doesn't work no more. Look how many coins have been created. Let me just click on a random coin. If this coin wants to get on deck screen and make as much money as possible, look how high it needs to go. It needs to go all the way up here. Guys, is that going to happen? Look at this coin. No, it's not. Look how, like, I can show you a million different coins. Just like this. Look, click on a random coin. Here we go, the exact same. Look, it needs to make it all the way up here. Just to get migrate. This isn't going to work, guys. But in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get it straight to Raydium. It's simple as this, guys. Guys, I just want to say this is all educational purposes only. Do not do any of this in this video. This is all a joke. None of this works. This is all for educational purposes only. Do not do this. Guys, so you just want to look through deck screen. This is where you find your idea. You guys might already have your idea, but I'm just going to show you how to find an idea there. Like, look. Jelly My Jelly, that's a coin. Raj Minutes, that's a coin. Pain, that's a meme. So you could do a meme like, let's think of a meme like, do you remember that real old meme, What the Dog Doing? Make a meme called What the Dog Doing. It's that simple. Trump just made a post about Gaza, so someone made a coin about it. It's literally this simple, guys. Look, Kanye West is trending, but obviously, guys, I'm going to show you another way you can find good things, is having a look at these two news posts. Look, the Washington Post and New York Times, and sometimes you can find some real good ideas on here. And just have a look. Scroll down. Anti-Trump resistance. Look, we could make a coin called Anti-Trump, or something called like Walkmans, or just all these like stupid people just protesting. We can just make a coin about that, and it's that simple. And then there's our coin idea, and boom, we have our coin. Guys, look, if you look at the main deck screen page right now, let me full screen, look. New pairs, newest, this is how the method works basically, look. All these age, look, Raydium coins, let me look at Raydium, look, filters, all platform, Solana, save, Raydium, and look at this, guys, watch. In the last minute, there's been one coin that's been made, one, compared to pump.fun. There must have been at least 20 coins made in the past minute. So think about that, 20 times less competition. All these coins, look, in the last 6 minutes, look, them coins have been made. If I did this on pump.fun, there'd be at least 200 coins made in 6 minutes. And that's basically, look, there's people doing this method. Look, someone just did the method I'm teaching in this video. It goes up, move liquidity, bam. Look, basically, people are looking at this, 20,000 people looking at this screen. They're just waiting for the right opportunity to pounce and put some money in the coin. Say, here we go, terminal rewards, bam. That's gone down. Oh, I'm going to put $50 in this, going to put $100 in this. And then if this went up, you'd make, like, so much fucking money. So that's what people are thinking. Because everyone's just gambling addicts. We're just the people that run the casinos for the gambling addicts, basically. We just take money guaranteed, though. Instead of them getting, you know, we just make money infinitely. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how it works. Alright, guys, so you just want to head over to this site called canva.com. Click Create Design in the top left. Click Create New Design. Simple. And now you want your profile picture. So you might be making a meme coin about whatever. I'm making a meme coin about Donald Trump. So I'm just going to get Donald Trump profile picture. Oh, fuck. Ring fucking doorbell, man. Alright. So, doorbell. It's so fucking stupid. So here we go. We just get Donald Trump profile and we just head over to here. And boom. Simple as that, guys. We upscale that. And there we go. We have our profile. And now we just want to click share. Download. And PNG download. So we've got our profile. And boom, download. Now just want to head over to ChatGPT and say this prompt. Make me a short 5 words max fun description about my Donald Trump meme coin. Trump coin Bigly Fun. Guys, you can use this. This is an easy way to think of descriptions. You can also use your own description. It doesn't really matter. Obviously, I'm just going to use this because it's nice and simple. And now you just want to head over to the website to make the coin. Alright guys, so you just want to head over to this website right here. The link will be in the description. You can use different website, guys, but please, guys, because do not come crying to me when your wallet gets drained. Do not come crying to me when you get scammed, because I have way too many people messaging me saying, oh, I used a different website, but I got scammed. So guys, use the website. I've linked it in the description. Don't go through any other links or you'll probably get scammed. Without further ado, just click create token. And obviously, guys, I'm doing an example right here. I'm just going to type random shit, random symbol. But guys, for your name, you want to do, say you're making a coin about GTA 6, you want to do, for your name, GTA 6. And for the symbol, you might just want to do GTA 6, well, the exact same thing. For the name, you might want to do Grand Theft Auto 6. For the symbol, you might want to do GTA 6. If you get what I mean, it's just a short abbreviation, basically. I'm going to upload the image. You upload your image, guys, that you made. I'm just uploading a random image. And then for the supply, you want to do 9 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There we go. So that's our supply. 9 zeros. Now for the description is, we just want to do the description that we got earlier. I'm just going to spam some random stuff because obviously I actually make a coin. I'm just showing you guys the example on how to do it. Create a name, guys. Let me explain this. If you guys have the budget to do this, I do recommend doing it because your coin will perform better. But if you don't have the budget, don't do it until you have the budget. Don't do it. So if you have the budget, do it. So I'm just going to do for create a name, I'm just going to spam it. Then for the create website, say you're making a coin about GTA 6, you can do your create a website. Maybe make it Rockstar Games, rockstargames.com, the actual website. And there you go. Simple as that. You can turn this off. That's optional. You don't need to do that. That's not visible. It is visible, but it's very hard to see. So here we go. Revoke freeze, revoke mint, revoke up. That basically makes it so everyone will think your coin looks legit and your coin will look perfect. So yeah, just create token. There we go. We've got the transaction. Just click, wait for it to load. There we go. Confirm. There we go. And now it's just going to create the token. It'll take about 20 to 30 seconds to do this. But as I wait, guys, I just want to say, this might seem like a lot, but this is a small price to pay for the amount of success you're going to get from this. Like I said, it seems like a lot, but you're going to make it all back. You're going to make triple that, quadruple that. You'll see in a minute, guys. I'll play some footage of me doing it. But after this, we just want to add liquidity. So I'm just going to wait for the token to be made. I'm not going to cut this, guys, because I want you to see how it is made. It's not a scam, guys, because most websites like this are scams. They'll just steal your money and they won't give you anything. But this website is a scam, and I want to make sure you guys know. So I'm just going to wait patiently. Oh, creating token. I might even read a book while I wait. Here we go. Token created successfully. Now, if we check our wallet, if we go to our wallet, Phantom, scroll down, yep, it's took the Solana, and there we go. We have the token we just created. You will have your token. Yours will say with your profile and whatever you made, it'll have your token. But obviously, I'm not using my token. I'm just using this. So yeah. Now we're going to add liquidity. Alright guys, so this is the most simple step of them all, adding liquidity. Select the token that you just made. Obviously, I'm just going to select the spam token that I just made. And you want to type 9 followed by 8 zeros. So 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that'll basically just be 90% of the supply goes to liquidity. And that's basically what adds it to deck screen. And then for the Solana, the quote token, just click Solana, and this, you will get this back. Whatever you put in here, you'll get back. You can put 0.4, 0.3, 0. Anything. I'm going to use 1 sol though, because 1 to 3 sol works best. So I'm just going to use 1 sol to show it's possible with a small amount. You will get this back though, guys, do not worry. So just click create liquidity, and as you can see, it'll give you the 30,000 unknown tokens, which basically is a receipt that shows that you own the liquidity, and then you can take it out whenever you want, basically rug pulling the coin. Alright, so guys, you just want to open your wallet, as simple as this, and you want to scroll down until you find your token. Obviously, you'll have your liquidity and you'll have this token. You want to click on this token, do exactly what I just did just then, and you want to click copy the SPL token address. And now you have the token address, just click on any random Solana meme coin and put your address there instead. So as you can see, our token will pop up. So it'll get our token's been up for like not long. Let me full screen it. So look, obviously you need to wait because it's going to take about 5 minutes until it starts getting traction. But as we wait for that, we just want to wait for the buyers to start rolling in. Look guys, someone just bought $54. Someone just sold 1 penny. Obviously, you just want to just chill, see what happens. It's going to go up, it'll go down. You just want to wait about 10-15 minutes until you like fully sell, and then that's when you want to take profit. Look, if we have a look at the, here's the minute time frame. This has been out for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minutes. I'm going to wait about 15 minutes and then I'm going to sell. Alright guys, so as I'm watching the coin go up right now, what I actually want to do is I want to tell you guys exactly why this works, because obviously there is reasons why this works. Like, let me just pull up deck screen. Look, so this works. The reason this works in particular is pretty much because if you go to deck screen, there's a new pairs. Like, look, someone else just bought $30 worth. Look, if you go to deck screen, there's a new pairs, and look, the newest, like I said, we're appearing on here, so we'll be on there. People are watching the full front page, and they'll see ours, our good coin, and then since people see ours, they're gonna buy our coin. And then when they're buying our coin, we wait until it gets high enough, and then when it gets high enough, we just remove liquidity and get all the liquidity from it. Alright guys, so I've been waiting for a bit, and before people sell, obviously I want to remove the liquidity and take what's mine. So to remove liquidity, you just want to head over back to the Easy Coin Launch website, click Manage Liquidity and click Remove Liquidity, and then there we go. We'll have what we're just thinking, and you just want to copy and paste this amount right there. Just click Withdraw, and as you can see, guys, we've put in 1 sol, and look, we can take out 7 sol just like that in the matter of 20 minutes. We've finessed at least 6 sol. So I'm just going to remove that and take the free money basically.